Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from MoonPay onto your bank account. So, once you're on your MoonPay homepage here, you just want to click on Sell. Wait for it to load. Give it a second. It might take a little bit. As you can see, while it's loading here, the way that the withdrawal method here works in MoonPay is that you'll have to pick a coin to sell. So, for example, here, there's a lot here, right? There's Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Solana, a lot here, right? But I'm just going to keep it at BTC here, and you can pick how much you want to sell. Like you can change the number, of course, so something like this, right? And then it'll reflect on the section here as well. Once you're happy with the sell method and the exchange rate here as well, just click on continue. Give it a second to load. Now in here, you'll have to enter in your basic details. I'm just going to example name, for example. Another example name. So name, my date of birth, it'll be 14 or 34. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to just do 15. And the year will be 2000. There you go. Click on continue. And then you'll have to enter in your billing address, right? So I'm just going to do something random like Jakarta or something like this. Jakarta. Add in your address. Just going to, again, random things. Example address. Just as an example, when you're actually withdrawing this, of course, you'll have to enter in your actual detail, right? Click on continue. And then you'll have to verify your identity. Click on continue as well. And then from here, you have to continue to verify your identity. So all countries except USA, click on continue again. And then you will have to submit these documents here to actually withdraw your money, right? So you'll have to do driving license or an ID card, a residence permit, or a passport. Whichever one you'd like, it's whatever. But after you submit these documents, you'll enter in your bank details, and then you'll be able to withdraw your money from MoonPay. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.